Welcome back to the Bear Maker YouTube channel. Today we're going to solve a problem. I don't want to carry dice around in my shirt. Because they don't stay there very well. And then if I'm driving, they might fall out. But, solution. That I didn't just break, I promise. We're going to make a classy box. Engraved D&D logo on them. Magnets to keep it closed. Upgrade. Let's do it. So that was an adventure. Appropriate because of Dungeons and Dragons. You get it. The box ended up a little shorter than I wanted, still plenty tall. Actually, I think this probably worked out better. Just because when I was cutting it into its 2 pieces, I cut the 3 sides and then I got something to wedge it apart so that it didn't pinch on the blade. And when I put the wedge in there, and when I ran it through again, I ran it through the wrong way, so that was dumb. But again, it all works out in the end. It's still a functional box. Put magnets in there to keep it together. I was gonna use the scorch marker to darken this a little bit, but when I started applying the heat to make the scorch marker burn like it's supposed to, it started separating the panel, which mostly went away now. I think just more moisture got back into the wood, so it swelled up a little bit more, and now it's pretty good. And with the finish on there, it's dark enough that you can hardly tell it's there. So we're in good shape. The most important thing is that it holds fast. Now it may not hold all of these, but it holds that many. It'll hold 3 full sets of normal dice, so 21 if you're doing the math. And that goes on there, and your dice ain't going nowhere. Now, you heard all the noise. This really only separates it for when you're playing. It doesn't do anything to separate it while they're in transit, because I didn't really think that was so important. But now you have your dice here, you just grab the one you want, roll, hey look, 2, good job. Yeah, that's it, it's a dice tray. You should know how they work, it's pretty self-explanatory. So, I'm gonna stop mumbling. Thank you for watching. If you need a dice box, I hope you know how to make one now. You don't have to use fancy woods like this. Use whatever you want. Just do your own thing. I don't care. Make it work. I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future videos. Share the video if you think someone else would want to make a dice box. Otherwise, do what you want. I'm not your boss. I'm gonna leave. See you later. Peace out, homie.